Welcome back to my channel. My name is SHA-DAY, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 things that I would like to try in 2021. So not necessarily habits, but just new things I'd like to introduce myself to and try out and explore in the upcoming year. So if that's something you want to see, just keep watching. Alright, so first of all, excuse my messy bun. It is my film day, but it's also a day that I need to desperately wash my hair. So I hope you guys can overlook that just for today. I'll have it together for my next video. But anyway, so number 1 is something that I just started learning about this year, and it's Yoni steaming. So a Yoni steam is to help cleanse and heal anything with a woman's or man. Men can Yoni steam as well. Well, they wouldn't call it Yoni, but they can steam also. But for women, it's for, you know, the uterus, the reproductive health, vaginal health, and pretty much it's you sitting over a pot, preferably like a stainless steel metal pot with hot water that has some steam, but not so boiling hot that you would burn yourself, and you add in some essential blends, and that blend is what helps, you know, heal whatever you need or just maintain your womb health. So that's something that I've been researching and learning about, and I've been following the Yoni Day Spa over on Instagram. They're Oakland, California based company, Black owned, woman owned. The owner's name is SHA-DAY, and she is such a sweetheart. I've been really enjoying her Instagram lives, which she saves, so I highly recommend you guys go over to her Instagram page and watch a few of those just to educate yourselves and learn more about it. Has so much wisdom, and she's just so supportive of women and answering your questions and just making sure that you're aware of what's out there. And she of course says, you know, see your doctor, get, you know, their recommendation, and then, you know, work with her and work with your doctor to figure out what's best for you. Or if you're, you know, there's something going on with you, like personally, I just want to do it for the health benefits and just maintaining my health. So I didn't need to like go see a gynecologist before talking to Ashley, and I just purchased what based on her website. There's like a little chart, and it'll say, you know, if you're answering yes or no to these questions, this is what she would recommend. Or if you need to book a consultation with Ashley, you can do that also. So without further ado, I did purchase my first bundle from her. So she has these amazing bundles where you can try a lot of her products full size, and you get a great discount because you're getting it as a bundle. Also, highly recommend that you sign up for her email list because you get great reward points for doing so. So the first thing in my bundle is the Booby and Booty Buffer. Can you say that 10 times fast? But this basically is to exfoliate the body, and especially the butt, because let's just be real, ladies, sometimes we can experience acne in other areas of our body other than our face, and back acne and butt acne are very real. So having this to buff away old dry skin, this is amazing. Open it up for you guys. The quality is beautiful. I love this color, and it's nice and stretchy, so you can kind of like go like this on your butt and on your back, and I've heard great things. So what I tried to purchase were all the like best-selling items and highly recommended items, but things that would work for me. This is a new product, and it's the clay mask. So I thought this was amazing. I always thought about, you know, mask for obviously your face, but what about your butt and the vulva, so the outer area, the outside of the vagina. where you can actually put a clay mask there and rehydrate, and if you're experiencing dry skin or whatever, you can purchase one of her clay masks. So like I said, there are products tailored for whatever it is you need. Mainly most of the things that I got would be good for sensitive skin and just for like monthly, weekly maintenance type of stuff. So nothing super intense or anything like that. So very just, you know, fun, sensitive skin type of stuff. So the clay mask that I purchased was the platinum clay mask, and it's a blue silver healing clay which nourishes and stimulates and regenerates intimate skin. So the silver ions give the acne clearing, anti-aging, antifungal, antimicrobial, and pain relieving properties while leaving you silky smooth. So maintains the appearance of, or minimizes the appearance of wrinkles, which I'm not really experiencing, but any discoloration, stimulates blood circulation, like all of these amazing things. So it's just don't want to spill any, but it's just a powder. So you use a like maybe a teaspoon or so, and you mix that with water, or you can make a hydrating mask with aloe vera gel and use this twice a week. So I'm excited about that. So you can do your mask, do your buffer, and probably feel like a new person. So after that, you can apply either the glaze or the oil. So I bought the winter oil, and everyone's been raving about the winter oil. Like even in the summertime, people are saying, where's the winter oil? So I wanted to try this. And then my cousin, who's from Los Angeles, she recommended the glaze, which is also a bestseller. So it has organic, you know, everything is organic. That's another thing that I love. And it's just beautiful packaging. You have enough product to last you. And yeah, I'm really excited to try all of them. You can use them all like in conjunction with each other. So the last thing I want to share with you guys is the blend. So I didn't buy the bath salts. I wanted to really try an actual Yoni steam, getting the, you know, the hot pot and then sitting over it. She has a YouTube video on how to do this, and putting in the herbal blend. So she makes these blends and she's very experienced in doing it, which is another thing a lot of people are saying, well, can I make this on my own? The answer is yes, but there is a course that she offers. I think it's not expensive or anything like that. It's like an ebook where you can learn how to make these, but you want someone to teach you how to do it because certain things are more potent than others. Certain, you know, one woman may be more sensitive to this or peppermint or whatever it is than another one. So I would just highly recommend you, book a consultation, take one of her courses, or just buy what she already put together, because there's different blends for whatever it is that you need. So women who are experiencing irregular periods, who've recently given birth, had a hysterectomy, recently got off birth control, like there's so many different things that women go through, and this can help with that. So super excited to try this. I got the Gentle Blend. So this is even if you're a young lady who just started her period, the Gentle Blend would be for you. So it's good for maintenance and just overall womb wellness and health. So it has a blend of nettles, peppermint, chamomile, and other herbs designed to gently clean the uterus, stop spotting, and lengthen short period cycles. So that is the Gentle Blend. And then I think there's a little brush that comes with the clay mask, and she put in a little gift for me, a little solidite stone. It's a very pretty stone. So I love this. I love the packaging, and I'm so excited to try this. So make sure you go over to the YoniDayspa.com. This was not a sponsored video. I did pay for this. She doesn't even know I'm filming this. So I just wanted to share this with you so you guys can go out and do your own research and maybe add this to your self-care beauty routine next year. She also has, if you do live in Oakland, California, she does actually have a storefront slash spa where you can go get these services. She has an esthetician that even flies out every now and then periodically and does like facials for your for your flower. And I was like, wow, that's probably amazing. So go definitely check her out, watch some of her lives, and yeah, get into it. So without further ado, let's move on to number 2. And I want to try to plan better, find a system to plan better, especially with me wanting to create more on YouTube and uploading twice a week. So I don't know if I need a planner and a notebook or just a notebook. I don't know, but I'm sticking to this 2-day-a-week schedule, and I feel like by doing so I'll figure it out on the way, a system that works. And I think that's kind of been my pitfall with it, is that because I'm not doing it I haven't figured it out. So I'm just gonna stay consistent with the upload. I'll keep writing in the notebook that I have on post-its or wherever, and I'll figure out a way to organize it along the way. So that's one thing. If you have any suggestions, you can leave that down below as well, because I need some help with that, creating a content calendar and figuring out what's going to work for me with that. So anywho, number 3 is to use my professional camera, which my parents so graciously gifted me a couple years ago, and I rarely ever use it. I think I've used it maybe 2 or 3 YouTube videos. And my hiccup with that is because it doesn't have a flip screen, so that when I'm vlogging I can't see myself. And that's the honest to God truth, and I'm sad saying that out loud, but I've been filming on my iPhone for years because I can see myself. And I know that like my head isn't over here or wherever else. So, but I'm starting to see the quality difference because there are newer iPhones out now, and I'm like, dang, my quality of video doesn't look as good to me. It's fine. I try to make sure it's well lit, but I want to, up my game and make even more aesthetically pleasing content for you guys. So I really need to get on that camera because the lens is beautiful, but I just need to get used to filming without being able to see myself, pretty much. And number 4 is to stick to my bedtime routine. This is something that's been working for me these last few months, and I feel like I finally have a good routine down from night until I wake up. And that honestly is how I've been able to even figure out how I want to like produce more content in 2021, because I've been getting up early enough. It's not so much about like, oh, you gotta get up at 4 or get up at 5. It's like, what time do you start your work day, and how much time do you need to like gradually wake up so you're not jumping out of bed and feel like you have to jump right, or you already feel like you're rushed and you're late. So when I say I'm waking up at 4:30, it's not to impress anyone. It's because I actually start work at 6:30 at the latest. Like I can start anywhere from 6 a.m. to 6:30. And so to go from my bed to my laptop is like the most miserable thing. I'm like, I hate the day already. I like to gradually wake up, and the first thing I want to do in the morning is go to the bathroom and put some warm water on my face and brush my teeth, meditate, pray, talk to God, light my candle. Then I like to flow into a workout, which is like another form of my meditation, and then take a bath. Like that is my, how I like to rise. So I want to stick to that in 2021 because it's been amazing for me, and it feels like it's helping me in every other area of my life. So 9:30 bedtime routine seems to be doing the trick, and I can get up and not feel like I didn't get enough sleep the night before. And then at number 5, last but not least, is to try some luxury skincare. So I don't know, this might seem a little bougie. It probably is, but I just want to try it. Like, I love my drugstore brands. Forgot what I've been using for years. I share it all the time, but I usually switch cleansers every 2 years. That's what I like to do to, try something new. Excuse me, first of all, you don't know if something's worked unless I feel like you've used it 3 to 6 months. A full year, even better. And then I usually just stick to it for 2 years. So I've hit my 2 year mark on my current cleanser, and I'm like ready to try something else. And I want to try some luxury brands, maybe buy some travel size items so it's not like super breaking the bank. I know I'm going to get a little less product, but at least give it a try. I went to Nordstrom's and I bought myself my favorite Jo Malone, and they were actually having a sale, believe it or not. And she was like, oh, La Mer is also having a sale. I'm like, what? La Mer is having a sale? And she was like, yeah. And I'm like, well, I'm not here to buy La Mer today, but do you all have any samples? And she was like, yes, I believe we have some samples of our night cream. And I was like, so excited. So she did put a sample in my bag, so I will be giving that a try. But I also want to look into some women of color owned luxury brands. So like if they're sold in Nordstrom's, Barney's, Saks, one of the other like high-end department stores, like, are there any? I think I've heard of one maybe. I want to try them out, test them out, share them with you guys, even if maybe they're not United States, but foreign brands from overseas. Women of color, I would love to know who they are. If you know any, comment below. But yeah, I want to try luxury skincare in 2021 and see how it works out for me. So those are the 5 things I want to try. Make sure you guys go check out YoniDaySpa.com. Please, I think you guys will love Ashley. She's such a sweetheart, and I believe you'll love her product too. I can't wait to try. I'll definitely give you guys an update on how I like everything. And yeah, this is my last video for 2020, you guys. I know this is like a weird setup, but AJ's still working out there, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys, we made it to the end of the year. I hope you guys are well, that you're happy, that you're safe, and that you still have some hope and a good outlook for the year to come. So I love you all so much. Thank you guys for supporting me this year and for watching today, and I will see you all next year. Bye.